Today we're going to learn a popular pop rock strumming pattern used in hits like Photograph by Nickelback. It's all about mastering the 16th note strumming pattern. We'll break down each part of the pattern slowly, then put it together to sound just like the song. Stick with me because by the end, you'll be able to play the strumming pattern smoothly and use it in tons of your favorite songs. Real quick, if you don't already know who I am, my name's Wade Collins and I run Guitar Fastlane, a worldwide online guitar school. I've been playing, performing, teaching, and writing songs for over 20 years. I've played on many stages, in bands, and solo, and even recorded and mixed albums. But enough about me, let's get to the lesson. All right, so when starting out learning a strumming pattern, we want to start by just clapping it and saying the timing out loud. So for this one, we're going to count with 16th notes. So that will be 4/4 timing, and we'll go 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and So for this one, we'll go 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying this lesson so far, I think you'd really enjoy my 3 game-changing secrets to play your favorite songs, jam confidently, and finally have fun on the guitar. You can get it right below this lesson for free. Once you can clap it comfortably like that, now lay your fretting hand fingers across the strings gently, just to mute them, so they make a sound like this. And you're gonna do the same thing, counting it out loud, but now you're gonna use strumming and pay close attention to whether you're strumming up or down. Try to keep a steady rhythm with your strumming arm elbow. So here's how it goes. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and All right, once you can do that comfortably with a metronome at a slow speed, start working your way up gradually to a faster speed. And now we'll start adding in chords. And we'll play 1 chord for 1 bar of this, and then we'll try changing chords partway through. So for this, we're going to use the E5 chord with the B string and high E string being played open, the B add 11 chord, and A add 9 chord. All very nice sounding chords. So we'll start nice and slow and then work our way up. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 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 All right, so that's 1 chord for the whole thing. Now let's try changing chords partway through the bar or partway through the strumming pattern. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 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 So I hope you enjoyed the 16th note strumming pattern. Again, these 16th note patterns can be a little harder to pick up. Start really slowly, make sure you're strumming in the right directions, and really make sure you're keeping a steady motion with your elbow, because that will help you keep steady timing and make sure that you're using the right strumming motion, whether it's strumming up or down on the different beats. Again, take your time with this. Start really slowly, clapping it out, saying it out loud, then use the muted strums, and then gradually speed your way up with that, and then start using chords with them. And again, this will add a great variety into your strumming patterns and make you look and sound a lot more professional when you're strumming. You've made it this far, so I know you're serious about improving your guitar skills. Why not keep the momentum going? Hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss our future lessons, and then click on your next lesson right here. I think you'll love it. I'll see you over there.